How to buy Ethereum on Binance. Hey everyone, welcome to this channel where I'm going to show you how to purchase Ethereum on Binance. For that, open your Binance mobile application, and before purchasing Ethereum, you need to make sure that you have enough amount of USDT in your account. If you don't have it, then you can go through the channel, since I have created a detailed video on this topic on how you can buy USDT on Binance. Now, once you have USDT in your account, now is the time to purchase Ethereum. Now, in order to purchase it, tap on the search bar in the top and search for ETH. Now, once you search for ETH, you need to tap on the spot option, and here you will see Ethereum on different types of pairs like Ethereum FDUSD, Ethereum USDC. But since we want to use USDT, in order to purchase Ethereum, you need to select the ETH/USDT pair. After tapping on it, it will show you the chart of Ethereum as well as its current price. So if you want to purchase it on its current price, tap on the buy option, and then you will be landed on this buy interface. Over here, the first option that you see is off limit. If you tap on this option, you will have to tap on the market option if you want to purchase Ethereum on the price that is currently given, or if you select the limit order, then you can even select your own price on which you want to purchase Ethereum. Afterwards, you can use the plus and the minus option in order to add or subtract the pricing from Ethereum. Then you need to enter the amount that you want to purchase. You can even use the slider in order to select the amount. Then it will show you the equivalent amount of USDT that is required in order to purchase this much amount of Ethereum. After filling these details, you just have to tap on the buy Ethereum option. Once done, in the open order, your order will be placed if you have selected the limit order and use the plus and the minus options in order to set your price. Now, once Ethereum's price comes to the price that you set, your order will be filled automatically and you will receive your Ethereum in your account. Now, if you have selected the market order, your order will be placed immediately when you tap on the buy Ethereum option, and you will get your Ethereum in your Binance account. Now, in order to view it, tap on the wallets option in the bottom right hand corner, then tap on spot. Here you will be able to see the balances section in which you can see your Ethereum. After tapping on it, you will be able to see all of the details relating to it, when you purchase it, at what cost you have purchased it, and your daily PNL. So that was it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video for more of these types of tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.